Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this Samsung SP LFF3 Claxa 30 to 100-inch the Freestyle Gen2 Smart Projector with a 2-year Amber Protection Plan 2023, then please visit the link provided in the description. The Samsung Freestyle Gen2 is a portable projector that transforms any space into a cinematic experience. Sleek, compact, and ultra-lightweight, it's designed to move with you. Walls, ceilings, or even floors can become your screen, thanks to its full rotation capabilities and versatile setup options. Whether it's a last-minute movie night or a spontaneous gaming session, this projector adapts to your environment effortlessly. The picture quality is impressive for a device this size. It delivers sharp 1080p resolution across a screen up to 100 inches, with HDR support that adds depth and vibrancy to every scene. Motion remains smooth, making fast-paced action or sports content feel natural. While it won't replace a high-end 4K home theater, it provides an immersive visual experience anywhere you need it. Built-in smart functionality takes the Freestyle Gen2 to the next level. Powered by Samsung's Tizen OS, it comes with Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, YouTube, and a full suite of apps ready to stream without additional devices. Autofocus and auto keystone instantly optimize the image, so you spend less time adjusting and more time enjoying content. Audio is handled by a built-in 360-degree speaker that fills small and medium rooms effectively. For enhanced sound, it pairs seamlessly with Bluetooth speakers or headphones. This projector is designed for convenience, giving you an all-in-one solution for entertainment on the move. Gaming is another highlight. Samsung's Gaming Hub allows cloud gaming via Xbox and NVIDIA GeForce Now, eliminating the need for bulky consoles. Pair a controller and start playing instantly, making the projector a versatile entertainment hub. The included 2-year Amber Protection Plan provides coverage against accidental drops, spills, or mishaps, offering peace of mind for portable use. Outdoor movie nights become possible with just a power bank, while hotel rooms or dorms transform into personal theaters. Its portability combined with smart functionality makes it ideal for travel or temporary setups. Brightness performs best in controlled lighting environments. While not designed to compete with direct sunlight, it's more than sufficient for nighttime setups or indoor use. Pairing 2 Freestyle Gen2 units with smart edge blending allows for panoramic screens, turning any space into a multi-projector experience. Additional features include ambient lighting modes for when the projector isn't displaying video, projecting colors and patterns to enhance room mood. This projector is for people who value portability, spontaneity, and flexible entertainment without sacrificing quality. It's about turning ordinary spaces into cinematic or gaming experiences on the go. If you want a projector that's compact, portable, smart, and versatile, the Freestyle Gen2 delivers. Check the link in the description to explore pricing and get your own portable cinema setup.